Gary here from Pathways Homestead, and I have picked tomatoes again this evening. And about half this table full every evening, it seems like. You can see we have all kinds of varieties of tomatoes. We definitely have some that I know. This is a black Krim, and that's a really beautiful tomato, good flavored tomato. We got some Cherokee purples that are pretty standard in a lot of people's gardens anymore. And then this was supposed to be an Amish paste, which it obviously is not. And I don't know what that one is, but that's just a gorgeous, really good beefsteak type tomato. Amazing flavored tomatoes we've been eating lately. And then these more yellow ones, like this one, that was on a plant that was marked early girl. Those were supposed to be early girls, and they were all tomatoes like this. We've got some Roma type and some little celebrity type tomatoes. I don't know which. I think these were San Marzano, maybe. No, they were just marked Roma, weren't they? And then we've got these little sun cherries, sun sugar cherries, I think is what they're called, and they are amazing. They're really good tomatoes. And of course, we've got yellow pears we're growing this year. And they're doing really good. Our garden's doing great. The tomatoes are amazing. And we wanted to share with you guys this beautiful table of tomatoes we've got going here. So we've been processing tomatoes every evening and picking tomatoes every evening.